Did you know that healing isn't just about medicine? Complementary therapies like aromatherapy, acupuncture, and mindfulness can enhance well-being and reduce stress naturally. Let's explore how these holistic techniques work. Complementary therapies are non-medical approaches that support traditional treatments, focusing on the whole person, mind, body, and spirit. For example, aromatherapy uses essential oils like lavender to promote relaxation, while acupuncture helps with pain relief by stimulating energy points in the body. Even simple practices like meditation and yoga can reduce stress, improve focus, and support emotional balance. These therapies don't replace medical care, but they enhance it, creating a well-rounded approach to health. The best part? Many of these techniques are easy to integrate into daily life. Stay with me because I'll share some powerful complementary therapies you can start using today. So why do these therapies work so well? Because they tap into the body's natural ability to heal itself. For instance, massage therapy isn't just about relaxation. It boosts circulation, relieves tension, and even improves sleep. Similarly, guided breathing exercises can lower blood pressure and promote a deep sense of calm. One of the most fascinating therapies is sound healing, which uses frequencies to balance energy and reduce anxiety. Many people report feeling deeply refreshed after just a few minutes of listening to calming sounds. Complementary therapies are especially beneficial in dementia care, mental health, and pain management. Whether it's gentle touch, soothing scents, or mindful movement, these methods provide comfort and healing. Want to learn simple, effective ways to integrate complementary therapies into daily life? My upcoming shorts will share step-by-step techniques, so subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If this video gave you new insights, please like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to check out my channel for more wellness and caregiving strategies. Together, let's embrace a holistic approach to well-being. Thank you for watching.